people prepare some sort of food materials, like in this part of Karnataka, they call it as Appe saaru. There is one typical thing they prepare out of mango by boiling the small mangoes, unripened mangoes, and then later they'll give some tadka or something like that, a kind of rasam. A preparation is made and it is given for drinking at the time of summer and these things, because it enhances Agni and improves the digestion part of it. And usually, if a heavy meal is considered or taken, then usually this Appe saaru, or what you call a typical type of rasam prepared out of mango, it is being used extensively.
Yes, sir. Appe saaru, that is usually sour in taste overall, right, sir?
Yes, sour as well as pungent, and it is being given tadka with asafoetida. So it will be cooked and treated in such a manner that it has typically improves the digestion.
So, in like you said, it is rightfully used largely in summers. It is very common to use a little bit of sour tinged drinks such as Appe saaru, even another one, punarpuli or garcinia. That is also punarpuli juice is also used in Grishma Ritu, though it is slightly having Ushnavirya and though it has a sour tinge. So probably that is taken to improve the Agni, sir.
From Vasant Ritu onwards, it is slightly Adhana Kala is getting in, and the more and more atmospheric sun and heat will be there. So all definitely the things will go in such a manner that slowly the person's will digestion capacity will lower in these 3 seasons particularly, and even in the Varsha Ritu. So typically in these type of time, people across the southern part of India, they use these variations made out of mango, and one of them is Appe saaru. That's very clearly all these 3 seasons from Vasanta till Varsha Ritu, slowly all humans digestive power or digestive capacity reduces slowly. So Agni will be at backseat. So in order to improve the Agni and help in digestion, people go for this type of Agni Vardhaka Peyas.